Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Moves won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder.
So there is a little wicking in the traffic area in and out of the bathroom. Not wicking, I'm sorry about that. Worn fiber. So worn fiber is when the fiber gets actually worn, all right? So where this new fiber would look like this, a worn fiber may fray out like this, and the light reflects it off it differently and looks like a shadow, right? It looks like dirt, but it's really just a shadow. So what I do is I stop midway and kind of show them the difference of the rinse and let them know about that. Also let them know about that before I actually started the carpet cleaning. So just a disclaimer from the beginning, you know, it may be worn fiber, so you may still see a traffic area in there, but let's cross our fingers and make sure and hope it's just all dirt and rinses out beautiful. So in this case, it rinsed out great. They think it looks like new carpet, so that's good. But to me, there's still a little shadow in there. We can get onto the tile now. real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below. All my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video. Alright, so now what we're going to do is just kind of go across the tile and seal it. This is the product I love and I use majority of the time. Sager's Super Sealer. This is the secret. It shouldn't be a secret because it's, you know, it's on YouTube, but people still don't know about it. So this stuff, usually you need to go across just across the grout lines with the. Okay, so as I was saying, yes, she had some music on the background. I'd probably get a YouTube music violation, and I don't want to do that. But anyway, you spread this across the whole tile. It flashes off the top of the tile. So usually you just go across the grout lines on ceramic and stuff like that with a sealer. But with this product, you can go across the whole thing. So basically, it just speeds the time up like quadruple or more on putting this stuff down. Yeah, so this stuff's a must-have for me. Tools make a difference. Looks amazing. These are holes in the grout. There's some missing grout here and there. So what I do is I flood the mop before I get started and spray. Usually I use a pump up sprayer, but it's not that much area, so. Alright, so the moral of this video is, yes, tools count. We spend a lot of money on our equipment, And usually what we do is we start off with the minimum, the basics, you know, stuff that'll get the job done. But as you start making more money, start investing in your business more, you start buying tools that actually speed up the process or make the process, the results better. So you kind of refine it as you're growing. I've refined it, and I'm continuing to refine. So that little hand spinner that I was cleaning the tile around the edges and the corners first, man, that thing is, oh, I'm so glad I bought that thing. It's $800 something part, guys. Yeah, I mean, whew. But you know what? It's gonna make me a lot of money, and you got to think about it that way. Super sealer saves me a lot of time, you know. Being on your knees, going through grout lines, man, that sucks. I can blast through a job with that. Usually I do put it in a pub-up sprayer, but I had something else in my pub-up sprayer, so I just, you know, not too big of an area. And let me see what else. So you have your spinners, all right. You know, you have your agitating machines. You know, all the stuff. You know, you can start out with the bare minimums and just work your way up, right? Yes, we used to ride horses. We used to ride horses everywhere we went, and somebody made a car. You know, if you want to drive across the United States, wouldn't you rather be in a car? Yeah, you could still get there. So I hope you get what I'm saying. I hope this helps you guys out, and any questions, go ahead and put it below, and we'll see you in the next one. I love my job.